trip to France, tips and advice. France is a beautiful and diverse country with so much to see and do. Whether you're planning a romantic getaway to Paris or an outdoor adventure in the French Alps, there's something for everyone in France. In this video, we'll share some tips and advice for planning a trip to France, including when to visit. France has different weather patterns depending on the region, so it's important to consider the climate when planning your trip. The summer months of June, July, and August are generally the busiest and most expensive, but also offer the best weather for outdoor activities. The shoulder seasons of spring and fall offer milder temperatures and fewer crowds, while winter can be a great time to visit the ski resorts. Cultural events. France is home to many cultural events and festivals throughout the year, ranging from music festivals to food and wine festivals. Researching and planning your trip around these events can be a great way to experience the local culture and make your trip even more memorable. Museums and galleries. France has a rich cultural heritage and is home to many world-class museums and galleries. The Louvre in Paris is one of the most famous museums in the world, with a vast collection of art and artifacts from around the globe. There are also many smaller museums and galleries scattered throughout the country, focused on everything from local history to modern art. Outdoor activities. France has a varied landscape, with mountains, beaches, and forests, all offering a wide range of outdoor activities. From skiing in the French Alps to hiking in the Pyrenees, there are many opportunities for adventure in France. Food and drink. French cuisine is renowned around the world, and there are many delicious dishes and drinks to try while in France. From croissants and coffee in Paris to cheese and wine in the countryside, there's something for every taste. It's also worth trying some of the local specialties, such as escargot, snails, in Burgundy or cassolette in the southwest. Language. While English is widely spoken in France, especially in the tourist areas, it's always helpful to learn a few basic phrases in French to show respect for the local culture. Greetings, such as bonjour, hello. Language. While English is widely spoken in France, especially in the tourist areas, it's always helpful to learn a few basic phrases in French to show respect for the local culture. Greetings, such as bonjour, hello, and au revoir, goodbye, are especially useful. Transportation. France has an extensive public transportation network, including trains, buses, and metros, which can make it easy to get around the country. There are also several options for renting a car, which can be a good choice for more rural areas or for exploring the countryside. Attractions. France has numerous must-see attractions, from the iconic Eiffel Tower and Notre Dame Cathedral in Paris, to the stunning castles of the Loire Valley, to the beautiful beaches of the French Riviera. Be sure to research the top attractions in the areas you'll be visiting and plan your itinerary accordingly. Shopping. France is known for its fashion, and there are many opportunities for shopping in the country. Paris is home to world-famous designers and luxury stores, while the countryside and smaller towns often have more traditional markets and boutiques selling local products. Safety. France is generally a safe country to visit, but it's always important to be aware of your surroundings and take basic safety precautions, such as keeping an eye on your belongings and not leaving valuables in plain sight. By following these tips and being prepared for your trip, you can have a wonderful and enjoyable visit to France. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.